Another video. This is a really random start. I'm just home from the gym. I'm absolutely sweating to death. You know when you like work out and then your face, like I don't really get sweaty while I'm there, and then on the walk home I feel like my coat might need washed, put it that way. I also did a really random thing. I think not the hormones, what are these called? Endorphins are getting to me a little bit because I just went into Tiger and picked up a giant canvas. You know, I'm on my kind of mission to get a bit more art in this place and like give it a little bit more character and life. Obviously that involves painting a lot of different rooms, but I thought I was looking at art, and some of the art pieces that I'm looking at are a couple of £1,000s, and I'm like, we can't afford to spend that on art. So I thought, let me just see what I can do with a paintbrush and some acrylic paints. So let me just show you what I got. The canvas is really big because the idea is, let me just show you actually. The idea is this canvas, which is 65 by 90, so it's a big rectangle canvas. It is either gonna go above our sofa in the living room. Let me just show you. So it is either gonna go on this big wall here, like literally right above here, or it will go upstairs in the bedroom, which I'm not going to show you because we've done a little bit of home updates in there, and I want to like do a bedroom reveal and kind of show you when it's all put together, which I know is quite annoying, but I'm doing that all in one video, so you'll see that soon, but maybe not too soon, in a couple of weeks time. So anyway, when I say we, I mean I got 2 packs of acrylic paints and then some paintbrushes, and we also have proper paintbrushes from when we painted the bedroom. So tonight I'm gonna go and have a bubble bath. I need to like scrub my fake tan off. I want to do a fresh layer of fake tan. I feel like this is becoming my weekend ritual now. I'm gonna do a fresh layer of fake tan. Then I am going to order a Wagamama's while I'm in the bath, and then I'm gonna come out, I'm gonna paint. I might put something on the TV, put some bin bags down in the living room. Actually, is it too messy to do in the living room? Am I running a risk here? Maybe I'll do it in here and put something on the iPad, put it on the table and paint. I'm really excited. I want to take my time with it. I want to make sure that I don't just waste. The canvas was £18, so I don't want to like waste it. But yeah, the price of original art is crazy out there. And I'm quite artistic, I think. Even though I'm an accountant, I feel like this one, creativity is like within me somewhere. Hence my YouTube and stuff. I like making videos. I like things to look nice, and I feel like I've got some ideas because I know what I'm drawn to when I'm looking at art. Actually, I'll put on the screen now a couple of the artists and pictures that I've been looking at that I'm obsessed with. There's a bit of a theme. They're quite colourful. I do like the walls of the house to be quite muted colours, and then I like to brighten the walls up with art. Obviously not this bright white, but you know what I mean. I do like some nice art. I also want to show you, yeah, let me just show you this. This is potentially going to go in the bedroom as well. This is, sorry, the reflection's quite crazy at the minute. Just because those, let me put the lights off, hang on. There we go. I'll put this light on. So this is a print by Slim Aarons. You've probably heard of Slim Aarons, very famous photographer from I think the 70s or maybe earlier 60s. And I just love this print of this family. There's 2 ponies, a mum and some kids. This little girl makes me laugh. And I just love how it looks. This is a 40 by 40 print, and then the frames are from easyframes.com. I also have another one, and I think that they're great quality frames. They're not expensive for good framing, but I literally designed this. You can completely customize these frames. So this like little grey outline here that I did, you can literally upload your art and then build the frame around it. So I fully customized and picked this, and I love it. But I think that is going to be moved to go into our bedroom. Let me just put this light back on. Ooh. Yeah, so I love that, and I'm trying to like customize. I want my house to have like a really personal feel and just show lots of art that I love. So there's a bunch of prints that I'm looking at, and I want to mix in original art. We have actually a local antique market that's on once a month. I actually have to miss the next couple of months because I've got plans on those days, but I plan to pick up a bunch of bits from there as soon as possible really, but I would like to get the rest of the house painted before that. We are hoping to do some more in the living room. I've actually done a few bits in there. Not me, we got a carpenter to come and do some exciting things in the living room too. So you're gonna see all of it in due course. I just kind of don't want to like do it in drips and drabs. I want to have some like dedicated videos because I feel like you guys are gonna love them. So yeah, if anyone knows of any affordable original art pieces or like artists that do custom pieces, then let me know, because I'm all for supporting local artists. I'm gonna go and run the bath now. I might do a quick tidy up of this house. I'm gonna run the bath. I am then gonna order my Wagamamas. I have a few tips on what you can do if you hate exercise, because for me, I'm definitely someone that gets bored. It's boredom more than anything else. So Brittany Bathgate is the first person that gave this really good tip. She is into running. She does a lot of long distance running actually. Well, she used to when she vlogged a lot, and I mean like 30k runs and stuff on the weekends. And I remember her giving this tip in one of her videos where she basically said, if you feel like you want to press pause on the treadmill, or you know you want to stop running and you really feel like you should push through it, start at the bottom of your body and go from your toes and go and do like a checklist and go like, do my toes feel sore? Often no, there's nothing wrong with your toes. Do my feet feel, or and then like the soles of my feet, do they feel sore? No, often there's nothing wrong with the soles of your feet, unless you're running a marathon, maybe there is. Then like the heels, okay, do the heels feel sore? No. Do the calves feel sore? And then by the time you like do it all the way up your body, like do my fingers feel sore? No. Do it all the way up your body, and often by the time you get up to your head, which it's always your head, it's never actually your body, because realistically running 5k is not doing any damage to your body. If anything, your body probably feels great while you're doing it. By the time you get to your head, you have forgotten, and that urge to press the pause button or to stop has gone. So that is a really good tip. I feel like that's like an actual tangible thing that you can do to help yourself keep going. Secondly, that I just realized today, listen to a playlist with some songs on it that you know you're gonna like but you've never heard before. If that is quite difficult to put together, but a lot of people that you follow on Instagram who you might like kind of associate with having good taste in things, who've got very similar tastes to you, go and follow them on Spotify and look up some of their podcasts, look up some of their playlists. So Aisha Hatter, I think that's her name, yeah, this is her. I follow her on Instagram. I actually found her because Estee Lalonde ages ago shared her profile, and she's also on TikTok, and she's just a really down-to-earth, normal sort of woman who is like in her early 30s. She has a daughter called Violet that she went quite viral, I think, on TikTok, because she basically put this TikTok out there that was saying that she unexpectedly found out she was pregnant when she was in her late 20s. I think she didn't ever want kids before that, and then she decided to go ahead with her pregnancy, and how it's just been the most amazing time of her life, and she's got this beautiful little daughter. Now she's engaged, and yeah, she's just like really cool and got great style, and she's funny and like real, you know, one of these like really real people. Anyway, she shared a playlist the other day on her Instagram. She shared her Spotify playlist, and I'm gonna actually share it again. It's called Mirror Mirror, and Aisha Hatter, that's her name. So you guys should give her a follow on all platforms like TikTok, Instagram and Spotify, because her playlist is like one of the best playlists I've ever listened to. So many songs that are like a really good mix of like old 90s like movie songs that are really great. There was some from like Cruel Intentions that like triggered, I was like, oh my god, that old song. But so many good ones, like ones that you start going like, oh my god, I love this song. Some like, there's some Madonna on here, there is Weezer, god, like loads. The Strokes, Someday by The Strokes. Come on, I was running on the treadmill, I was like, yes, I can keep going. But yeah, really, really good. So that is another good tip. I think that's all my tips. Do I have any more tips? Also, take a break if you need a break, but make yourself like go back into it. So I'm feeling good after that. I feel rejuvenated. I'm really happy that I actually went ahead with it. Anyway, let me just put on my face mask. I'm gonna go and use the Kiehl's turmeric and cranberry seed one. I feel really bad because I feel like I just talk about the same products all the time in my videos, and I know people like to see new things, but I'm a bit of a creature of habit when it comes to skincare and stuff. Okay, I'm just rubbing this all over. I'm gonna lie in the bath. I'm gonna probably read my book. I might even watch some YouTube. I think I've got like a couple of vlogs from, I started the Anna Edits vlog. I missed it last week when she uploaded it. So I'm gonna watch her vlog. And then I found some really good interiors channels as well that I am really enjoying. There's a guy, I can't remember what his name is. I'll put a picture of one of his channels, one of his videos on screen. He's like got loads of followers and his videos are so good, just about room layouts, and I don't know, I just really like his style. So I'm gonna watch some YouTube, I think. Look at my yellow face. And yeah, I'm gonna have a bath. I'm really excited for this. It is actually all ready to go. Let me just show you how it's looking. How bubbly and gorgeous is that? Oh my god, I'm so happy. I look like a Dean. I look like a character from The Simpsons. Love it. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands. I actually might hang up my washing and then I'm gonna get in the tub. Oh, let's actually look at what I want from Wagamama's as well. Can that wait till after the bath? Something just made a banging noise. It's kind of scary. What's the time? Okay, it's 6:20, so I'm actually gonna order my Wagas when I get out. Okay guys, I'm out the bath. That was a good one. I feel tanned. I don't know if you can actually see that. I also have my little glass of sparkling water and lime cordial, which is going down a treat. I thought let's just order our Wagamamas together. Sorry about this angle. I'm still figuring out this camera. Should I do it on here or should I do it on, I'll do it on my phone. I'm really fancying something warming and quite spicy. I also really love the chili, crispy chili squid. Wagamama. Also, I've realized I've not been cooking that much recently. I was so good in our old place at just like cooking nice meals, and I feel like it was because we were in much more of a routine there. We're still living in that kind of like bubble of a new house, so the recipes will come back. I'm planning to make some nice homemade meals next week, so yeah, don't worry, I will be cooking more again. I'm just on delivery and I'm just looking at some starters, although that's a cheesecake, hang on. I do like to look at the popular with other people areas. Oh, new firecracker chicken ramen. That sounds good. Thai beef salad, salmon kayo bowl, a bright bowl of mixed leaves, salmon, beetroot, carrot, cucumber, radish, edamame beans. That looks pretty good. That is kind of a contender, to be honest, because I really like stuff like that. And you can actually double up the salmon, which I think I might do. New hot honey fried chicken. My god. Oh, or do I go for a curry? No, I don't think I want a curry. I don't think I want a ramen. I don't really like ramen. Every time I order ramen, I hate it. Other than those little packets that I have, I really like them. My god. It says Wagamama X spoons, like in collaboration with Spoons, and obviously my automatic go-to was Weatherspoons. I was like, oh really, you're really advertising that you're doing a collab with Weatherspoons, but it's actually a chef whose surname is Spoons. Rachel, no, not Rachel, Rahel aka Rahel aka Spoons. God, I'm slow sometimes. Okay, I'm gonna have a little browse and then I'm gonna order some. Okay, I went for the salmon koyo bowl, which is like that really nice salmon bowl with like edamame and a nice dressing, and a portion of the chili squid. And it said it's due to arrive between 8 o'clock and 8:15, so very exciting. I need to make sure that my latest vlog is ready to go, so I'm gonna sit and do a little bit of tapping, and then let's paint our canvas, but also we need to wait for the food, so yeah. I will chat to you guys in a little bit. Guys, my food has arrived perfectly at the right time. I just finished editing, I just finished editing the vlog and exporting it, and my food has arrived. I'm so excited for this, I'm starving. And then, okay, not sure how yum this is, but I'm sure it's going to be delicious. That is so good. I'm actually not going to use plates, I'm just going to use that tub, the tubs that it arrives in. What do I need from here in terms of condiments? Do I need mayo if I've got salmon? It's quite bad. Maybe I won't need any, maybe I'll just have some soy. Let's do that. We'll get some soy. I'm going to sit at the table to eat this because I don't want to get it everywhere. Okay, we have some crispy chili oil. This one is really good. I've probably shown it before. I love it. It's called Lago Leogama is the brand. And then we just have a normal soy. Obviously the crispy, oh my god, my speech, honestly. Obviously the crispy chili salmon. Oh my god. Obviously the crispy chili squid is supposed to be a starter, so, but I'm not going to eat it like that. I think I'm going to do all together. I'm actually going to pour this on top because I just love this sauce and I feel like it's just delicious. Let's do a taste test, even though I just tasted it up there. So good. Oh my god, it's so crispy. If you ever go to Wagamama's, you need to get this. It's so good. And the sauce is like kind of tangy, which I love. Okay, this is a salmon bowl. There's actually quite a bit of salmon in there, but it's kind of underneath the rest. It comes with this little mustard. It said mustard and tofu dressing. Anyway, let's try. Okay. Ugh. Okay. There's lots of beetroot going on here. Okay. This is really yummy. It's kind of like a Pret salad though, but it's got hot smoked salmon, so it is good. I feel like quite healthy actually having this. I'm gonna go and enjoy this. I'm gonna watch something on the iPad and I will come back to you guys when I'm finished.
So it might be that we need a new wooden spoon. One is I get asked all the time, I don't know what... Hi Danny, I'm just shooting. Okay, what was I saying? So I get asked all the time for what's in my fridge.
Okay, I am gonna paint now. I got my brushes. I got 2 packs of these, I think I said before, because the canvas is so big. I also have a proper paintbrush that is like for doing the big surface areas. Also, this is going to be too late for you, any of you guys to actually respond, but can you mix these with water to like thin them out a bit? I feel like I might need to do that. I have no idea what I'm going to paint. I need to do some inspo, some searching. Also, sorry about the fan on my laptop. My laptop's definitely on its last legs. It's just exporting the video still. Yeah, I'm going to go on Pinterest. I'm going to look up some kind of inspo. I think I know what I'm going for. I'm definitely going for some colour. But yeah, even if I do like a base coat tonight and then come back to it, then that's good enough. So yeah, let's go. Thank you so much for, oh, it's very echoey in here. We are in a hotel. We're waiting to fly to go on holiday literally tomorrow. It is Saturday night while I'm filming this. So by the time you watch this video, we will hopefully be in France skiing, assuming Wizz Air don't mess up our flights at all. There's a whole other chunk of this week's vlog that you are still to see, but that's gonna come in a later video. Yeah, I just wanted to pop on at the end and say thanks so much for watching. The yellow canvas is still plain yellow. I still have to like add some, I don't know, artistic ideas. It's way harder in the moment to actually come up with ideas of like what to paint and put on the canvas than I ever thought it would be. I really need some more inspo. So yeah, that is still work in progress. So is the house, and we're going to be skiing this week, so the house stuff's obviously on hold for a little bit, but you will see some updates in the bedroom and the living room quite shortly. And yeah, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna get an early night. We've got to be up really early for our flight tomorrow, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye!